Now, let me give a free expo for those of you writing your government in this WAEC exam, in this very WAEC exam. I'm going to give you the topics that WAEC will set questions from. If you are an art student, you already know that government is very, very, very important, right? So let me I'll just give you the topics, then I'll break it down for you. I hope you are following. Number one is definition and scope of government. Then you need to read basic concept and principles of government. Go to your textbook. I will still break it down for you. Constitutions, Nigerian constitutions, all of them will come out. Forms of government will come out. I am giving you an expo so that as you read, you know how you are reading and preparing. Citizenship will come out. I'm giving you those topics that are from official WAEC syllabus, okay? By the way, if you want me to send you this syllabus and to give you WAEC timetable if you have not gotten it, just ensure you click on join our YouTube channel, and then like this video, share this video, and subscribe, okay? Once you subscribe, I will tell you what to do. Political parties and party system. Go and read up political parties and party system. Then read the electoral process. I will still break it down for you. Just follow me. Then read pressure groups and public opinion. Then read public administration. Okay? Now, let me break it down for you. I've already told you to study definition and scope of government. Under it, study elements of government, meaning and scope of the subject matter, government. Then, of course, you know, meaning and scope of government, explore government as an institution, government as a process, government as an academic field, basic concept and principles, okay? Definition of state, features of state, structures of state, and function of government as a process, and all the rest. Now, for you to read basic concept and principles, read things like basic concept of power. You know these things as an art student, as a government art student. These things I'm saying should not be strange to you, okay? In our YouTube channel, I am dedicated to ensuring that every WAEC candidate passes. You can make A in your WAEC. You can make A in government. You can make straight A's. Even if others say that you will not pass, it is not your portion. I want you to claim it. Type I claim it in the comment section that this WAEC will make you smile, that you will not have any issues in the hall, that you will write and pass. Claim it. Type I claim it in the comment section. So, basic concept and principles of government. Under it, read everything you can about power, authority. Read about authority. Read about legitimacy. Read about sovereignty. Read about democracy. Read about political culture. Read about political parties. Then basic concept also cover things like power, authority, sovereignty, legitimacy, democracy, political culture, political socialization, and others. Okay. I hope you are still here with me. Let's look at what you should read on Constitution. Constitution must come out. Okay. Read up the different types of constitution, when it was founded, what they said. Just get your textbook. There's nothing much to say about constitution, but for you to focus and read up constitution very, very thorough. Just be thorough with constitution. You know there are different kinds of constitution. There are Macpherson constitution and all the rest. So read it up. Don't even joke with it at all. Forms of government. This one will come out. In fact, this topic comes out both WAEC NECO, and JAMB. Okay. So study things like unitary government, federal system of government, confederal system of government, parliamentary system of government, presidential and parliamentary and non-presidential system of government, parliamentary system of government, cabinet system of government, monarchical system of government, republican system of government. Then study organs of government. We have the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. Study what they do. Read up everything. I mean, as an art student, you must marry your book. You must read and read and read and read. Then read up forms of government. I've already mentioned them: unitary system, federal system of government, confederal system, presidential system, parliamentary system, monarchical system, and republican system. Okay. Then understand the importance of citizenship in society. Explain the structure, functions, and responsibility of government to the people, and all the rest. I hope you are following. Let's look at citizenship. Remember, it's one of the areas. See, what I'm giving you is an expo. If I were you, get your book, your textbook this night, prepare this morning before you enter the exam hall. Focus your mind on these topics. So on citizenship, read things like understand the importance of citizenship in society, explain the structure, functions, and responsibilities of government to the people. Citizenship: no status, rights of citizens, duties of citizens, obligations of citizens, political parties. Citizenship: how to become citizenship, naturalization, by birth, and all the rest. I hope you are following. If you are following, let me know in the comment section. Okay, if I'm not wasting my time, please let me know in the comment section. Then you need to pay attention to political parties. Define definition of political parties, how political parties are organized, types of political parties, their functions, examples of political parties. Do you understand? Pressure groups, public opinion. Read up these things. Don't be lazy. Read up these things. WAEC will be tough this year. So let's not joke. Let's not even pretend. Then study the electoral process. Under it, study types of suffrage. Suffrage, the right to vote, and all the rest. Purpose of elections, organization for elections, features of free and fair elections, stages of elections, both by-elections, general elections, and all the rest. Both primary elections. Study things like political parties, party system, define political parties, their organization, types of political parties, functions, various party systems, the electoral process. Just read up these things. I'm giving you the cocoa. Then pressure groups and public opinion. Study things like define pressure groups, their types, characteristics, operations, functions, and the formal measurement, and all the rest. So read up this in political party definition, all the rest. Read up this, and then finally, public administration. There may be other things, but these are the areas I want you to focus on. As you also touch other topics. Read things like the civil service, public corporation, local government, their structure, functions, definition. Then read things like public opinion, definition of public opinion, formation of public opinion, measurement of public opinion, functions of public opinion, public administration, definition of public administration, civil service, and all the rest. So study things like electoral management body, that is N.H.S, definition, function, problem, consent, public and civil administration, and all the rest. Focus on these things. These are not the only topic, but these are the ones I am already sure that WAEC will hammer you questions from. Focus on these things as you also read your other subjects. Remember, do you want me to give you videos on your other subjects? If you want me to give you this kind of video on the other subjects, just mention those subjects and tell me, sir, please give me videos on those other subjects. Remember, for you to become a full member of our channel, that is what will make me pay attention to you. And if you want to chat me up and all the rest, click on join, become a member. Click on join right now and join this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Then also remember to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. When you subscribe, come on the comment of this video and tell me I have subscribed. There's an important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.